Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get Acura key fob battery replacement. The replacement battery is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Used for different years, different models, MDX, ILX, TLX and more. The battery replacement process is pretty easy. First we have to take the emergency key out by pulling this button to the left and then we pull the key. Now, as you can see where it was, you can take the emergency key or you can take a big enough flathead. Okay, I'll show you with the key. You just insert it a little bit and then pry it up. Okay, and then as you can see it opens. You can also do it with a screwdriver. Make sure it's big enough. Don't need to apply a lot of pressure, very gently. Okay, once again right here, and then gently to open the key fob with the screwdriver. This is how it looks inside. As I mentioned, the battery CR2032. Now this is important part. You don't want to touch the electronics, okay? So right here, this is where you take the battery out. Don't try to do it from anywhere else. Right here, just a small flathead underneath and it comes out very easy. Okay, now this is a good battery. I'll use it again. First this part and then I press. Okay, very important from here, because here you may damage the electronics. So here underneath, just like that, very gently comes out. Put it back in, we slide it in and press. Now all we have to do is just to put the cover back, tighten everything, make sure it's all good. As you can see, the lights, put the emergency key back, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.